Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore, and today we have the Seagull here. And I just realized after so many years of reviewing watches, this is actually the first Seagull on my channel. Watches on loan from our boutique. So once again, thank you very much Eric and his team at our boutique for so generously loaning me all these watches for my reviews. We have this dark blue box, this cardboard, and I tell you what, this is a serious fingerprint or smudge magnet. Let me just flip open the case. Okay, we've got this one, supposedly the manual. Here it is. Ta-da! You're looking at the Seagull Retro TV watch. I think this is what it is called. Officially, this is known as the TV watch because the dial here, it is fashioned after the retro TV screen. So I'm not too sure what this screen is officially called. There must be a name for such things. This is the one where, before the broadcast station ons its program, and then you get to see this screen here. Apparently the TV watch model is sort of inspired by Mido's very own TV screen model. But I think this watch is smaller. It's a really small watch. Should be about 35 mm across. So of course, this being the TV watch model, the watch case sort of resembles a TV screen in terms of shape. We've got this display back. I think both sides are sapphire crystal, and this watch houses the Seagull's in-house ST2100 movement. With all the packaging out of the way and with the lens zoom in very slightly, let's take a closer look at the Seagull TV watch, retro TV watch. You can see from all the styling of the watch case, the bracelet design, everything sort of points towards that 70s look or even 60s look. Retro watch, old school, smaller dimensions. This bracelet here feels a little bit flimsy. We also have this clasp here that is pressed. But the watch case itself is rather interesting. TV screen or tonneau shape. Correct me if I'm wrong on the pronunciation. Tonneau shape or something like that. So on first look, I think in terms of legibility, wow, I'm having some problems with reading time on this dial. Old eyes and overly colourful dials, I don't think they're good friends. As it is, I'm having some problems trying to read the time. We do have a dated complication on this watch. We've got the Chinese day of the week. You can see this is Monday. This is definitely an acquired taste, this watch. I don't think it's going to be a favorite among the so-called mainstream collectors out there, but pretty sure there is a niche market who is into this kind of designs. Here's a look at the ST2100 movement, nicely decorated with stripes on the rotor. We've got pelage going on at the base plate itself. Standard engraving here found on the case back. Seagull and made in China, water resistant and that kind of thing. And you can see how small the watch really is. Typically a rectangular shape or a cushion case watch will look and feel bigger, but this one doesn't feel big. I think this case size is about 35 mm, so it's not overly big. And there is a really nice taper going on this bracelet. But of course, I'm not a big fan of the overall build quality of it. So the bracelet looks like a weak link in this watch. So on first impressions, I think this is a fun watch for those who are into this kind of quirky design. All right, not the usual diver watch or OB36 kind of design. So this is obviously something different from the mainstream type of watches. So stay tuned for the full review of the Seagull TV watch. This is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.